Hi, you guys. Welcome back to my channel, Diamond Rose. I'm here with another set of jobs. There are two jobs within this video, you guys, and they are both entry-level jobs. Now, this first company is with a Sitel group, and the job role for this job and company is remote. It's a remote position. It's an Intuit tech support and customer service rep. And the pay, once again, is $15 an hour. If I haven't said it before, it's a full-time job position. And the benefits for this company, and this is how you apply right here. It says apply on company site. I would place a link for the Indeed link so you can get to this link. If you have an account with Indeed, you can definitely get here quick. You cannot apply without an Indeed link, Indeed account to apply to this company throughout this website. And the benefits for this company is 401k, 401k matching, dental insurance, health insurance, life insurance, paid time off, paid training, tuition reimbursement, and vision insurance. It's the full job description for this company, which is Sitel Group, and with the remote position that's Intuit tech support and customer service. It goes as we're creating an opportunity for you to learn, lead, and grow in your career. At Sitel Group, one of the largest global providers of customer service CX products and solutions, we are hiring multiple technical support representatives to support high volume inbound customer service projects for our industry leading technology clients. Yes, this is an entry level position, you guys, an entry level position. So you don't have to have any type of that much of experience or anything of that nature to apply to this job. Okay. As a trusted employer, will create the best match for you based on your experience and preferences, including full-time, daytime, and evening shifts. After applying, you'll complete our video interview where we'll get to know each other better. Be sure to look for an email for your personal link. After you complete your interview, our team will review your application and be in touch with you after 24 hours to discuss which position best matches your skill set. Sitel Group has more than 20 years of experience hiring for our customer service roles, support roles. Our modernized application technology benefits our customers and you. With your job application, you may see some communications come from Sitel Group as well as Sykes. Location requirements must reside within 50 miles of Wise, Virginia, 10431 Pinnacle Drive. You have the option to work on site or remotely from your own home. If you choose to work remotely, we would require you to come on site for for 1 day orientation before you start your training. Required qualifications, skills, and experience. Core responsibilities: handle inbound service calls and provide accurate account and product information. Understand and strive to meet our exceed metrics while providing excellent customer service experience. Drive customer satisfaction through voice, chat, and or email communications. Multitask and navigate through multiple systems. Read client legal disclosures verbatim. Qualifications: you are 18 years of age or older. You can pass a criminal background check. You are eager to advance your career with a reliable company. You work well with a team or independently and are able to commit to a 40-hour work week. Desired qualifications, skills, and experience: work with us and you'll enjoy $15 an hour. Provided equipment for the role. Hands-on 100% paid training, you guys. Yes, 100% paid training for this company. Tuition assistance if you want to head back to college or you want to continue, or if you want to begin studying, taking up a career option to try to advance your knowledge on a certain field. You can go back to college. or you can start going to college for that matter. Benefits including medical, dental, life, and vision insurance, company matched 401k, and generous paid time off. These are once again the benefits. And it's a remote position, and you have to live within Wise, Virginia. Um, and this is a remote position, or you could choose to have to work on site as well. It is a work from home position. Ongoing need to fill this role, priority hiring, and it just got posted today. Yes, you guys, just got posted today, working with Sitel Group as a remote Intuit tech support and customer service rep. And the pay is $15 an hour. Now, the second job that I have posted here is from the company called Augustine Institute Incorporated. Before I get into this job, I would like for you guys to subscribe, like, and comment down below, and turn on that notification bell. Okay? So you guys can get all the latest legitimate jobs, factual jobs that will hire, and not just a job, but it's a career. Okay? So, with this job, Augustine Institute, you guys, Incorporated, it's a remote position, and the job role will be an appointment scheduler Eastern Time. Okay? So this job is based on the Eastern Time zone. And the start pay will be $17 to $18 an hour. It's a part-time position. Yes, it's a part-time position. It starts at $17 to $18 per hour. The benefits are 403B, 403 matching, dental insurance, health insurance, paid time off, vision insurance. The position is part-time. Evangelization, support team representative, appointment scheduler, FLSA, non-exempt, eligible for overtime in compliance with local, state, and federal regulations. Schedule this part-time position between 15 hours to 28 hours per week. Will work remotely within the United States. Pay range $17 to $18 per hour, guys. Reporting to team lead, evangelization support team. So the mission of the Augustine Institute is to serve the formation of Catholics for the new evangelization. Through our academic and parish programs, we equip Catholics intellectually, spiritually, and pastorally to renew the church and transform the world for Christ. Our work environment is collaborative and team-oriented with an amazing team of talented professionals that are passionate about Augustine Institute's mission. You will love working here. The Augustine Institute is an equal opportunity employer. All employment decisions are made based on qualifications, merit, and business needs. And this is discussing about this right here is the part that discusses about what this position is all about. Will you be scheduling appointments, and you have to have knowledge of certain things of the AI technology and things of that sort, and deal with document key, metrics, results, and customer feedback, and all that. Okay, so the schedule appointments to connect pastors and key parish staff with our evangelization specialists in order to understand the faith formation and evangelization needs and goals of the parish. Eastern Standard Time needs to work during parish hours, generally between 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. local parish time, which is Eastern Time, you guys. So the qualifications for this job: bachelor's degree from an accredited university, preferred, not required but preferred. Relevant work experience is scheduling appointments is appreciated but not required. And they have the necessary knowledge, skills, and abilities that you will have to have for this job. And they're talking about the company, about how long it's been running, and all that great stuff. It just got posted today, guys. It's with this company called Augustine Institute Incorporated, and they are in need of appointment schedules Eastern Standard Time, you guys. The pay, once again, is $17 to $18 per hour, and that'll be all for my video, you guys. Like and subscribe and comment down below once again, and I will see you guys later. Get a piece of that work pie. don't don't hesitate. Just just don't be afraid to put in these applications, you guys. You can do it. Just place them in there. Um, and I will see you guys on the next video. Keep sparkling, shining, my diamond squad. And let's go. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye. Have a great day.